zoology MCQ explanation. Okay, it is very helpful to you. I hope so. Okay, let us start the first bit here. Okay, these are the topics, zoology topics in NCERT 11, animal kingdom, structural organization, digestion, absorption, and breathing and exercise, body fluids. You know, these all topics you are familiar with this one. And these are the topics, zoology topics, human reproduction, reproductive health, evolution, health and disease. And next one, strategies for enhancement of food production. Both botany and zoology are there in the biotechnology applications, organism and population, ecosystem, biodiversity. Okay, you know these topics. Okay, I am mentioning here the topics from you can understand how many bits are coming from each chapter. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, this is the number of question number given in that NTA application. The extinction of dinosaurs occurred around 65 million years ago. This is the direct textbook question. Extinction of dinosaurs happened about 65. Okay, about 65 million years ago, not billion here. You have to be very careful whether it is million. Okay, 65 million years ago, at the end of the Cretaceous period. At the end of the what is the Cretaceous period? Cretaceous period is one of the period in Mesozoic era. The Cretaceous tertiary extinction event is also called KT event. Okay, after Cretaceous, what comes is the tertiary period in the Cenozoic era. Okay, you must have an understanding of the in a state textbook, AP second year zoology state textbook, you have one tabular form in evolution that is very important. Whether you are reading NCERT textbook, that table is very important. And there you learned Cretaceous and everything in NCERT also there. The Cretaceous tertiary extinction event is also called as KT event. Cretaceous T tertiary event took place for the die of the dinosaurs. All the dinosaurs died off at that time. It is believed that this event is caused by climate and geological changes affected the food supply that led to the extinction of dinosaurs. Okay, dinosaurs became extinct because of climate and geological changes that take place during this period, Cretaceous and Tertiary, and it is also called KT event. I will show you here much more information. Okay, this is this is the flowchart given in our NCERT textbook. Okay, I told you earlier. Okay, how to remember this one easily. Okay, these are the early reptiles. You can see the periods here. These all are period. Okay, Carboniferous period here. C is the Carboniferous, Permian, Tertiary, and Jurassic, Cretaceous, Tertiary, and Quaternary. I have already told you one trick how to remember this all period. I don't want to drag this video much time. Okay, here to remember this one, I will tell you one trick here. Okay, early reptiles, from the early reptiles which became extinct. Okay, two type of organisms evolved here. One is a Synopsis. You can remember Sina Nehwal, and Sauropsis. You can remember Saurav Ganguly, who is the president of Board of Cricket Control in India, BCCI, at present. Saina Nehwal and Saurav Ganguly, Sauropsis and Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal married. Okay, she got married. Okay, she got married. Pellicosars, Pelli. She got Pellicosars. You can remember. They are also extinct. Next one from these organisms, what evolved? Therapsis. While she got married at that time, she asked the cameraman to take the photo. Therapsis. And next, finally, she gave birth to the young ones. Okay, young one means okay, another baby. That means mammals. Okay, that gave rise to the mammals. Okay, this is the sequence. It is very maybe asked in exam. Okay, synopsis from early reptiles, Cynanehwal, Pellicosars, pelli marriage, and Therapsis take photo, Therapsis, and finally, okay, there are mammals. Next one, Sauropsis. From Sauropsis, Saurabh Ganguly and Thecodons evolved. Thecodons teeth are embedded in the socket. They became extinct. Okay, you can when they became extinct during the time of Permian around here. And from these you can remember these three type of organisms evolved here. Okay, B C D. What is B? B means birds. Okay, C means crocodiles. D means dinosaur. Okay, that means these two are reptile and this is the bird. And birds and very important, birds and reptile together called sauropsid. Sauropsids is equal birds. Okay, these are uricotelic animals. Sauropsids are uricotelic. They may ask indirectly. Sauropsids are uricotelic animals. That means birds and reptiles. Next, come to the remaining. Here the trick is Telangana state. Telangana state was separate from Andhra Pradesh. Now they said when they were going away from Andhra, Tata. They said Tata, Twataras. Next one. Okay, this is the trick here. Telangana turtle. Okay, Telangana lizard, state snakes, grass. Okay, they all evolved from sauropsid. This is a trick to remember this one. Okay, now got it. From early raptors, Saurabh Ganguly, Saina Nehwal got married. At the time, told the cameraman to take the photo. Tira and birth to the young ones, the mammals, and Saurabh Ganguly, Therapsids, from the A, B, C, B, C, D, B, bird, C, crocodile, D, dinosaur. Next one, Telangana, okay, turtles. Next one is the Langana lizards, Kenda state, snakes, and Tata Twataras. Okay, this is the entire, this one you can remember. Now the bit here is, okay, the bit here is, you can observe the bit here. The extinction of dinosaurs occurred around 65 million. This is there in this table. Okay, 65 million years ago. Here, observe here. This is 100, then 90, 80, 70, 60. Like that, it occurred around 65 million years ago. And this is the Cretaceous, K and T. This is the KT event. KT event. Okay, now move on to this is the Cretaceous. Here, though, you can observe here lot of organisms they became extinct, and this is the Tertiary case. Okay, one is this is the Cretaceous. After that, what is this one? Okay, there is the Tertiary. Between these two, what happened is the KT extinction occurred. Next one, single chalk. Find the one. Darwin, Galapagos Islands he visited. Valles, Malay Islands. Next one, Hugo Dubris. This is also correct one. Hugo Dubris mutation theory. Okay, Hugo Dubris mutation theory. Okay, next one, that is also correct one. Llama of acquired characters. But here, what is given? Big Bang theory. Options explanation here. Okay, George. When you have to note down this one, it is not given in a textbook. Georges Lemaitre, okay, first noticed in the 1927 that the expanding universe could be traced back in time to an originating single point. The Big Bang theory proposes that the universe had an explosive beginning, and the universe originated about 20 billion years ago. By 20 billion, you learned, okay, universe is 20 billion years old. Big Bang, thermonuclear explosion of a dense entity. Lamarck proposed the theory of inheritance of acquired characters. Come to the next bit. Okay, he is the scientist, the greatest forgotten scientist. Okay, Georges Lemaitre. Okay, he was a Belgian priest as well as physics professor and astronomer. In 1927, okay, he made what is perhaps the greatest discovery in the modern cosmology. And next one, that our universe is expanding. Universe is expanding. This became Big Bang theory. Okay, come to the next one. Okay, which of the following is incorrect statement? Homo erectus lived in on Earth, okay, around 1.5 to 1.7 million years ago. You have to go through state textbook. Homo sapiens appeared. This is the area. Okay, we can expect in every exam. Okay, one bit from the human evolution. Homo sapiens appeared in African grassland. Okay, next one is the Archaeopteryx has characteristics of birds and reptiles. Here they ask these all are correct, and this is the incorrect. Incorrect means this is the correct answer. Incorrect one they ask. All Darwin finches were on a single island of Gala. Look at here explanation here. Finches named due to the role due to their role in Charles Darwin evolution. Okay, Darwin finches named so. Okay, why calling Darwin finches due to their role in Charles Darwin's theories on evolution. The evolution of Darwin finches on Galapagos Islands is a classic example species formation and illustrates how adaptation to local conditions produces a divergence that is the heart of species formation. That is a very important part of species formation. That is such an evolutionary process giving rise to new habitat and ways of life. It is called adaptive radiation or divergent evolution. Fascinated with the diversity found among the 13 species, important one here, 13 species can seed with and the speed with they evolved from a common ancestor. He was amazed. He was fascinated with the diversity found among the 13 species. Another one, speed with which they evolved from the common ancestor to adapt to the varied supply of food availability on the individual islands. Darwin discovered that these mainly showed up in the shape and beak of size of the beaks. I will show you here. If you observe the shape of the beak and size of the beak is not same. You can observe here. Here there is a ancestral seed eating groundfinch. One. I am starting from this one. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sorry, 13, 4. We got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 we got here. Okay, 30 the speed evolved, and Darwin discovered that these mainly showed mainly these all 30. Okay, that means sorry. Okay, these all species evolved from the main. So what is that one? This is the ancestral seed eating ground fish. That one, these all ever. For example, this is the sun. In the sun, from the sun, rays of the entire planet. Okay, like that, from this seed eating ground finch. Okay, this is a seed eating very important one, and different finches are here. Another one, not only Galapagos Islands, he also one from the Cocos Island. That is important here. Darwin finches comprised a group of 15 species, 15, and among them 14 were endemic to the Galapagos Island, and one species were total species. How many? Okay, here, how many we got here? Okay, 1 to 14, this one 15. Okay, out of these 15, 14 from the Galapagos Islands, 14 from the Galapagos Islands, and one from the another island that is called okay Cocos Island, and here 14 he observed. Okay, another bit here. Which of the following is not a bacterial disease? Which of the following is not a bacterial disease? Okay, important one from the human health and disease. Okay, up to now we discussed some bits. These all from evolution. Okay, observe here. Okay, first one here. This is the first bit. First bit this one, and second one also from the evolution, And next one, okay, this is the third one. This is also from evolution. 3 bits were given from evolution. This is from health and disease intermediate second year textbook, NCRT. Which of the following is not a bacterial disease? Okay, one is enteric fever. Okay, okay, bull neck disease, it is not given in our syllabus. Lockjaw disease, I told you earlier. Okay, tetanus is also called lockjaw. Only mobile jaw is lower jaw, that is also the person is not able to move that jaw also. Okay, enteric fever, okay, this is it is caused by virus. Which of the following is not a bacteria? Okay, you can, even though you do not know these things, like you can, okay, there is a jaundice, jaundice is caused by virus, and there are some other reasons are also there for jaundice. Typhoid is a bacteria to high fever, diarrhea, vomiting. These are the symptoms. It is caused by bacterium Salmonella typhi, also known as enteric fever. Because it is enteric means gut. It affects mainly our intestinal perforation. Also one of the symptoms. Jaundice is caused by hepatitis virus, and it is an inflammatory condition of the liver. Next come to the tetanus. Lockjaw disease caused by bacterial toxin produced by Clostridium tetani causes tetanus that affects the nervous system with painful muscle contraction, and particularly at the jaw and neck muscles. Diphtheria caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae, and the common symptoms include a swollen neck and referred to as bull neck. You can observe here swollen neck. Okay, here, okay, that is called bull neck. Okay, up to, okay, look at, observe these bits and note down important points from these bits. I will come up in the next video in the remaining bits from the NTA mock test 60.